Hi everybody, my name is Brooke Longevin. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina. I am a nursing student at UNCW, and one interesting fact about me is that I am a swim coach for kids ages 3 to 18. So I get to spend my summers and some afternoons working with kids and teaching them a very critical life skill. So one thing that I really find interesting about this class is that we get to do these goals. And so for my goals, my cardio goal is to be able to run a 5K in less than 30 minutes, preferably closer to the 25-minute mark. So in order to do that, I'll be running about 4 to 5 days a week on the treadmill and outside. Outside, if I'm running, it'll be more focused on distance and really trying to make sure I hit the distance more than anything. While if I'm on the treadmill, I get bored easily. So I'll be working on using that max effort to work on speed. Along with cardio, I'll be doing resistance. A lot of the resistance that I like to do is HIIT workouts involved with strength. So hopefully what I can do is some HIIT workouts and then at the end really push myself on those max efforts to finish off with some squats, lunges, really working those muscle groups. The critical thing that I want to do is be able to squat over 100 pounds by the end of the semester. I've gotten pretty close, but not there yet. So I'd love to be able to do that for about 8 reps. Other than that, flexibility-wise, I'm not flexible at all, and everything my coach always told me was to stretch, and I never did. And I'm regretting that now, and I regret it after every run and HIIT workout. So I'm gonna try and flex or stretch every workout that I do, long distance running or really high intensity running, and my HIIT workouts, using foam rolling as a technique that I've heard is really great for your muscle groups. As well as flexibility for my wellness, I have found that I forget things easily, and so I'm going to try and journal about 5 minutes a day before I go to bed and just journal about my day, and so that I can remember things, even if it's something like I went to the store with my friend, just little things to jog my memory so that I can remember it later on. One question that I have for everyone is if you played a sport all your life. For me, it was swimming. I swam all my life, and then I kind of got to college and stopped doing that. So I was wondering what people did to stay in shape after they competed in a sport their whole life, or after they were very dedicated to a sport their entire life and they weren't doing it as competitively as they used to be. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to this semester. I know it's online, but I look forward to getting to know you guys through these videos. Thanks.